Hello everybody, welcome to another G Auto Repair video. My name is Alex, I'm an IDA certified detailer, and today we're working on our personal car, a 2002 Ford Ranger. I was doing a demonstration video, basically a quick class here, on tires and rims. See, these are steel rims, so these are a little different to, say, your own painted rims. But I will show both applications. Now, this video is brought to you by Super Clean. They sent us out a few things. They sent us out some degreasers and and a wheel cleaner. And I figured that I would show you guys my process as a certified detailer on how I clean rims and wheels. So we'll get right into that. So here we are on the rim. So as you can see, this rim's dirty. We just did a maintenance wash on the car. I haven't touched these rims yet. So you can see if I pass my hand on them, they're filled with gunk. See, this is clean now. Past this, it's dirty, it's filled with junk. And that's generally not what you want. So we're gonna be using their all wheel cleaner. This is a degreaser. It can be corrosive. So you're gonna wanna be careful with it. You're not gonna wanna let this sit for too long, but it is good at what it does. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna get a brush, a microfiber rag, whatever you generally use. Generally on rims, I'll use a boar's head detailer brush and a wheel brush. So quickly, we're just gonna rinse the tire so that it is wet. Rinse that, yeah. And then you can either spray this directly onto the tire or the rim or whatnot. Generally, I tend to spray a little bit into the brush as well. And then you're just gonna wanna work it in there. You can let it sit for about 30 seconds, but you're just gonna wanna work it. Just get into all these little crevices. Steel rims do tend to rust. And they do tend to rust with brake dust. So this might not work. These rims are very clean because I have taken time to polish these and clean these off. So that's why I'm going to show you how on an average painted rim as well. So after that, you just go and you can thoroughly rinse them with cold water. There you go. So now if you wash your hands real quick, see the glove is clean. Pass it around. Glove is still clean. So we have successfully cleaned the surface. You can see it doesn't have that haze anymore. It's a lot more uniform and it's shiny. It's almost mirror-like. Take it if your rims are rusted. You have steel rims that are rusted, you would have to go through a polishing process. You can use a very low cut, a very fine emery cloth to kind of knock off. You will get micro scratches if it's a personal car and you don't mind that. It does look a lot better than having globs of rust. Just a quick disclaimer. As far as the tires are concerned, you just grab a favorite tire brush or whatever you like to use, spray it in there, spray it on the tire itself. Give it a nice good scrub. And then you can finish it. You just thoroughly rinse again. And then you dry. Look at that. That is a very clean very polished looking rim. Now, most of you guys may not have steel rims. Most of you guys have clear coated rims. So I'm gonna show you how to do that too, here quickly. So here we're now on the 2019 Ford F-150. See, this is ridiculously dirty. It's filthy, but these are painted rims. This is generally what people are gonna have. These rims tend to be clear coated, and they tend to get really, really dirty like this. You can see there's lots of built up brake dust, lots of grime, and generally you can just see the difference between where I passed my finger and where I haven't, right? So it's the same exact process, except most of the time you're gonna get better results, because unlike steel rims, these don't tend to rust like that, or the way steel rims do. So you're gonna start, same process. If you wanna throw car wash soap over this, you can, you don't have to. So you just rinse, grab your preferred brush, you just spray, and then you just go to town on it. You get in all these little crevices, like this lip around the rims. You get in these lug nut holes. See, this is why I prefer, and this is why I like using a detailing brush specifically for these rims, is you can just as easily as you get into these lug nut holes, you can get to these spokes. I also like how this lathers. It foams. If you look here, there's a tip. It's almost like a mesh that as it comes out, it already comes out of foam. I like seeing foam. Foam is white, foam carries dirt, foam gives me positive response. I like to see that I'm doing something. I like to see dirt falling off. I want to know that what I'm doing is not in vain. Make sure you pass every little crevice, every little area. See, and then you should just be able to rinse it, and you should see all this dirty, nasty water rinsing off. This is now a great time to inspect your work. Make sure that everything is how it should be, in order. How it should be, everything should be in order. The tires, the same process. I'm not gonna go about doing the tire because it's the same process as you saw. But here you can rinse thoroughly. And look at that. You can clearly see the difference. Wow. You can see, now you can see almost a reflection. So this super clean stuff, I like this stuff. I would personally use this. I would buy this stuff. I would keep it on my cart. Generally, I tend to use a lot of Chemical Guy stuff. Come at me. Right, this bottle here locally is about $13. This brings about 16 US ounces. It's good stuff. It works all the same. It even smells nice. But this locally, I can get this at an O'Reilly's for about $6, $7, and it's 32 fluid ounces. This is twice the price for half the product. And I like to say that I like these features a little more. I like how this comes off as a foam, right? If you see in my hand, it foams up. You see, the Chemical Guy stuff doesn't. See, it comes out this. It smells nice though, but it comes out just like that. It foams with the brush, but it doesn't come out foaming. I like this stuff. I'm glad that they sent us this stuff. It's really good. This has a spot on my cart, and I'm glad that I can say that we have Super Clean supporting the channel. Glad I can say that. But thank you guys for watching another G Auto Repair video. Hopefully you guys can use some of this stuff. It's available, you know, at O'Reilly's. You can find the stuff at Walmart. It's good quality stuff at a good value. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Ciao.